Hi, my name is Rosalie Desmond and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Australia. Today I'm bringing you this quick and easy Christmas card using the Merry Christmas to All stamp set by Stampin' Up!, the Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper from the 2018 to 2019 annual catalogue, and also the Joyous Noel 6x6 glimmer paper, which is in the 2018 holiday catalogue. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need is half an A4 sheet of thick Whisper White paper, and we simply fold that in half to create a card base. Then I have a piece of Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper, which is 14 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters. A piece of regular Whisper White, which is 10 centimeters by 8 centimeters. A piece of glimmer paper from Joyous Noel, which is 2 centimeters by 14 centimeters. Using Tombow liquid glue, I stick the Designer Series paper down, and then the glimmer paper down. Now on the piece of Whisper White, I'm going to be using this sentiment from the Merry Christmas to All stamp set, which says, "May the beauty of the season fill your heart with joy." It's the largest sentiment in this set. And I'm going to stamp that in Shaded Spruce. Then I'm grabbing the swirl from the same set, popping it on a block, and I'm going to ink it up in Real Red. Using some Stampin' Dimensionals, I'm just going to raise that piece. Pop it on the card base and grab a couple of rhinestones and just give it just a little bit of sparkle. And there you go, we're done. And that's how you make a quick and easy card ready for Christmas. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you've been enjoying my videos. If you have, please subscribe below. Until next time, happy crafting.